Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to discuss about the giant food COVID vaccine and why is it gaining popularity in places like United States. So the website of Giant Food is available for vaccination scheduling, and the Giant Food, as you all know it, is the wholesalers and food mart in which you can buy your grocery and daily need products. Giant Foods are also now participating in getting people vaccinated, and you can schedule an appointment for your vaccination through the official website of Giant Food. So we'll dig deeper into the website, but before that, I would love if you like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. So, Giant Pharmacy, as we know it, is working with an extremely limited vaccine supply, which are directed by federal health authorities from local and the state areas. As the public demand is very high than the vaccine supply is, Giant Foods are now getting themselves equipped with vaccinating people. This is a rapidly changing situation, and Giant Foods are working to secure as many doses as they can and get information from the authorities. By scheduling an appointment for COVID 19 vaccine on the website of Giant Food, you people, whoever has scheduled an appointment, gets attested that they are individual that falls into the priority of A1, 1A, 1B or 1C category. And while the vaccination has been going on, people attest and people present their identification that will be further used for eligibility verification at the time of the appointment. It is also mentioned on the website that the vaccine prioritization is a subject to change. They have stated that the states have adopted rolling vaccine allocation models, and this means that they cannot wait for every member of a particular group to get vaccinated before moving ahead. The website has mentioned that someone eligible in phase A1, 1A is no, still eligible under phase 1C, and there are certain examples that are stated on the website only. You can schedule an appointment very easily by giving out some of your personal details and your identification. There is a set government authorized identification which will be required at the time of vaccination. First, you have to be sure that you are eligible. There are some basic information for various other areas depending upon the area that you live in, that includes DC, Delaware, Maryland and Virginia. You need to schedule an appointment and then get verified according to it. You then need to complete an informed consent form and come to the Giant Pharmacy location at your scheduled time whenever you chose to schedule it. There are certain other frequently asked questions that are provided on the website, which you can see and you can solve your queries from. Apart from that, there are at present in the current time there is no COVID-19 vaccination appointments, but this will soon be open for booking in with time. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video and find it informative enough. Don't forget to like it, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. Thank you.